Unleash the power of sound with the Orion XTR3500.1Dz monoblock amplifier. Power, precision, technology. This amplifier delivers 3,500 watts of power in a one-channel Class D monoblock amplifier, giving you tight, controlled bass. Its advanced Class D circuitry ensures deep, distortion-free lows and crystal-clear sound. The efficient design reduces heat and power use, ideal for driving your subwoofers. Tune your bass with built-in low-pass crossover, subsonic filter, bass boost, and phase control for perfect low-frequency performance. Inside, a MOSFET power supply delivers efficient, reliable power. Premium components and precision-tuned filters enhance low frequencies for powerful, accurate sound reproduction. The output stage ensures every bass drop hits with clarity and precision. An advanced board layout minimizes noise and distortion, letting you hear pure audio. High current terminals and the included remote gain control let you stay in control of your music. Anytime, anywhere. RCA inputs and outputs integrate easily with your system, making expansion simple. With advanced ventilation, it stays cool under pressure, delivering consistent performance even during extended use. Durable and versatile, it fits into any setup. Perfect for bass enthusiasts and high-power audio builds alike. With protection circuits against overheating, shorts, and voltage fluctuations, this amplifier stays safe and reliable under any condition. Step up your audio game with Orion XTR3500.1Dz. Power, precision, and performance, all at a price that's hard to beat. Get yours today and experience bass the way it was meant to be heard. Elevate your sound. Orion High Performance Car Audio.